Sometimes cannabis has a milder scent due to drying, curing, or storage methods. Terpenes are aromatic compounds that can dissipate over time. When terpene levels drop, cannabis aroma may be less noticeable. Growers may use terpene spray to enhance the scent profile. Terp spray is a mist of botanical terpenes applied to the flower's surface. The aroma of cannabis comes from plant-produced terpenes, with various combinations creating distinct scents. Factors like drying, curing, and storage affect terpene retention. Heat, air, or light exposure can reduce terpene concentration. Cannabis may retain cannabinoids but lose scent intensity. Terp spray contains botanical terpenes from citrus, herbs, and other sources. A fine mist enhances the scent of buds lacking terpene character. Growers often use terpene spray to restore aroma across batches. Even application is crucial. A spray machine ensures uniform distribution and avoids oversaturation. The Spraymaster by Terps USA offers precision, using air-pressurized atomization for even terpene coverage. Most terpene sprays are made from botanical compounds similar to those found in cannabis. Terp spray enhances aroma without altering cannabinoid potency. Since 2019, Terps USA has specialized in terpene spray systems for cannabis. To explore terp spray options for enhancing aroma, visit https://terpsu.com. Collections /terp spray list. For precision application with the Spraymaster, check here at terpsusa.com/products. Terps USA spray. Master low-aroma cannabis may happen from terpene loss during processing. A light mist of terp spray can help restore the aromatic profile.